Good morning everyone. We got up at 6:30 today and are about to have breakfast and leave our accommodation. I just washed my hair. I had to, looked back at the footage and clearly humidity in my hair are not getting on. So hopefully it will dry a bit better. Yeah. About to have breakfast now and then we're heading straight off to catch the 10:30 train from Colombo. The train's going to Kandy and it's a 3-hour train ride. I will speak to you in a bit. Breakfast had been prepared by our hosts. They cooked us a traditional Sri Lankan breakfast, which consisted of omelettes, sweet pancakes filled with coconut and honey, hoppers, chickpeas, mangoes and toast. Alongside it, we drank Sri Lankan tea. We didn't have all the time in the world, as it wasn't long before we had to leave for the train station. Our host Chris was kindly giving us a lift to the station, which was in the capital city of Colombo, around an hour's drive from Negombo, where we were staying. The lift to the station cost around 5,000 rupees, which is just over £20. On our drive, Chris gave us a fleeting tour of Negombo town. He sounded very proud of his hometown. He wasn't as keen on bustling Colombo, which I could understand. I also preferred nature to busy cities. Wow, it's seriously air conditioned. Where should we go? Anywhere is fine, I guess. Let's go on this side. Yeah. It wasn't actually a pick your own seat kind of gig. Turned out we had seat numbers on our tickets. I mean, it sounds obvious now, but at the time, the experience was kind of overwhelming. With a little help from a local, we got in our correct seats. You can book your train tickets on the day, but that's a risky business, as especially in peak season, tickets could be sold out. I ordered ours online a couple of weeks before. Yeah, we totally paid over the odds for them, but £12 a ticket still wasn't too bad. In comparison, you can apparently get them for £2 at the station. The online booking feature also only gave us an option for first class on this train, which isn't ideal, as second class has open windows and the air conditioning in first class is damn cold. But still, I couldn't complain. I was so excited at the start of our 3-hour journey to Kandy. You know how Sri Lankan trains have open doors that you can hang out of? Yeah, well they're super scary. At least on this train they were.
It's scary.
The Colombo to Kandy train is quite fast as Sri Lankan trains go, and my heart was in my mouth as I opened the door and tried to lean out. It took a few attempts to get out there, and when the train jolted around, I sometimes felt like I was going to get thrown out of the train. Goodbye, Lewis!
Is it okay when I come next to you?
Oh yeah, that's fine, because it's hard holding the door. I'll duck down. Like, what? I don't exactly sound welcoming. Like, you can stand here and take photos next to me because it's helpful when you hold the door open. That's the only reason why you can stand here. Nah, I was friendly. I hope. Okay, so that's enough of me rambling. Let's cue the B-roll, as it's pointless trying to hide the fact that that's all I filmed on this train. Our train pulled up in Kandy station, where we were greeted by Peter, one of our hosts from tonight's Airbnb. We then embarked on a 20-minute drive through the bustling city of Kandy.
I was alone in this room. I saw the fumes from the door. Listened to the sound of my knees, making space in the sand, tracing all the lines with my eyes, because my hands won't stop. Once I was alone in this room, I saw myself separate. I'm loose in my head.
On our way to the Airbnb, we stopped off at a roadside food stall for some lunch. Peter asked us if we liked spicy food, and then proceeded to order us a spicy chicken curry and rice, which they rustled up in front of us. Arrived. This is our room with a... check this view out. Whoops. Pretty nice. So this is the river that goes through Kandy. There's a forest over there. Really nice. I haven't explored yet, I only just got here. And here is our bathroom. I have arrived in Kandy and I'm at our accommodation now. We were previously staying in an accommodation in, I'm rubbish at pronunciations, Negombo, which is near the airport. We had a 1 hour drive. Our host kindly offered to take her, for extra charge of course, but that was really handy. And then from the station we had a 3.5 hour train ride to Kandy. And then from there, our hosts at Kandy picked us up, and then I think it was like 20-minute drive to get to this lovely villa. Look at it behind me, if you can. My hair's still not playing ball, but I think it's better than it was. And look. That's the sunset. Pretty good. On the way here from the station, our driver recommended getting some street food for lunch because we hadn't eaten and it was 2 o'clock. So we stopped off there where they made us some chicken rice, which was really nice. I said I liked things spicy, and they sure do things spicy here, which is really nice. Which was just so nice. Also, I love tea, as you may know, and Sri Lanka is the home of tea, so everywhere I'm just getting loads of tea. I've never normally have it black, but I've been trying it. I've got to try the culture. So this is the view from downstairs. So we entered through here, and that's the car we came in, the red one. And then this is the view we have. I think there's some people actually bathing in the river over there. Or something. I don't know what they're doing really. And then on the other side of the river is Kandy city. But you can't really see it from here. Then you can see the house here. Just one night, and then tomorrow we get the 7-hour train from Kandy to Ella, where we'll be staying at for 2 nights because I want to make the most of Ella. I mean, I feel like it's meant to be because my name is Ella, but yeah, hopefully it lives up to that. Look at the squirrel. Oh, he flew. I'll probably end off the vlog now as the sun is setting. I hope you enjoyed my Sri Lanka video, and I hope you're enjoying following my journey. And don't forget to like it if you liked it, and leave me a comment if you have something to say. And best of all, if you want more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button because there will be more great content. Okay, see you next time.